Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna or Queen D. In today's video, I got the Tarte Build Your Own Kit. This was 7 full-size products with free shipping for $63. So if you want to see what I got in my kit, I also did a full face with everything I got in my kit. So keep on watching. So let's go ahead and see what is inside this box. It says, cheers to 20 years and counting. Female-founded, cruelty-free formulas with good-for-you ingredients and kindness. We believe it's what's on the inside that counts. Oh, that's sweet. All right, this says breakdown beauty boundaries, 15% off. This says Be Kind Beauty is the discount code. I will write this in the description below. So what is in here? So remember, I got 7 items for $63. So we've got this little bag. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the little plastic. I just love flamingos and I just think they're super cute. So that's kind of why I picked out this bag. And it looked like it was kind of on the larger side of the spectrum anyway. And I love this like purple on the inside. Very, very cute. It's gonna be great to tote around like makeup as I travel back and forth. All right, so what I thought we would do today is do a look with everything that's in here. So nothing else but what's in this box. So we have the Balm Moisturizer. So we're gonna be using this as moisturizer today. And let's see, we've got this Tarteist Remix Lip Gloss. So I'm really excited to see what this looks like. I think if I remember correctly, it was like metallic-y and like shimmery, very shimmery. This is the Tarte Lit Chrome Paint Highlighter. So it looks like this. So I'm really excited for this as well. And then I got me a foundation. This is the Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 20. Y'all wear your SPF. So that's why I really got that one, because I wanted to see what it was like with SPF in it for foundation. And then I got the Lights Camera Lashes, the 4-in-1 mascara. This is their Pride mascara packaging. Thought it was just so cute to have the rainbow, so had to have it. And hello Pride, hello. And then this is the Sea Glass eyeshadow. This is like the Tarteist of the Sea, and this is in Golden Hour. I just loved this orange, and I thought it would look really good with the outfit today. So we're gonna try it all out, and there is a little sample in here of the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. So I guess another moisturizer to try out. So I'm not gonna use this today since I already have the Balm. So let's go ahead and try on everything. So we're gonna be starting off with a Balm. And this is a hydrator. It says it nourishes, moisturizes, and soothes. It's rich, whipped texture and feather light feel. Oh, this is kind of cool. I guess you must like pump it up. That's different. Pump, pump. Oh, look. Okay, so I just did like a couple little pumps just to try it out. Doesn't really have a smell, so I'm just gonna put this all over just to hydrate the face. Now I don't know if this will like prime or anything like that. It has a featherweight feel. It's pretty lightweight, but I can feel that there's moisturizer on my face for sure. It says infused with babazu. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Avocado, green tea, and plant collagen. Yeah, and it just says it's a high performance moisturizer. It feels really nice on the skin though. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sink into my skin, and then we'll move on to foundation. So for foundation, we're gonna be using the Found Sealer. This is in 22N, which is their light neutral. It says your day, your way. That's kind of cute. Oh, this is really nice packaging. Look how cute. I like the little like tropicalness at the top. All right, oh cute. Okay, so I did get me out a beauty sponge from Real Techniques. I'm not sure if I want to use my fingertips or not. I want to see if there's directions. It says shake before use. Oh, hello. Shake it. Alrighty, so all it really says is to shake really well and apply. So that's what we're gonna do. I shook it up, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, use a. Oh, I don't know. This might be too runny for a beauty blender. Hold on. Never mind. It's got some thicker consistency to it. Definitely probably why you needed to shake it. I probably got way too much foundation. When I did look it up online, it did say like a medium to like, what did they say was the word? Customizable like coverage. So really, I guess you could like build it up for more coverage or use less is more, your choice. And I really didn't use primer, so I really probably won't be able to judge this fully on this one application. But we're gonna see how it performs without primer, which is gonna be kind of exciting. And for eyeshadow, we're going to be using the Tarte Sea Glass eyeshadow. This is in Golden Hour. This just looks like a duochrome. These things look so pretty. I went with the golden one just because I can't get this open. My hands are too slick. I can't get it open. My hands are too slick. No. I'm starting to think it's not just my hands. I can't get it open. I'll be back. Finally got it open thanks to the can opener. Thankfully, but it is this lovely golden color. And I'm really just gonna focus this on my lid and kind of blend it up. Dang, these hooded eyes. So we're gonna do one eye at a time, and we're gonna just put that on the lid. I'm just focusing this on my lid. I'm gonna apply a second layer because I can. Take it like a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna tap this to get it to blend. Oh, that's looking really nice. I'm just gonna kind of work that up towards my brow bone just a little bit and bring it down. This is stunning. Like, boom. That was really, really easy. All right, so let's go ahead and do the other eye. And then I'm going to do just one last little tap on the center of both eyes. And just kind of buff that out on the middle of the lid. Next, let's go ahead and do highlighter before we do mascara and lips. So I'm really interested to see what this looks like, honestly. All right, so this is the packaging. It comes with like a little kind of plastic cover. And it's in like a glass jar. And then, okay, so it also does have like a seal. Oh, wow. I'm assuming this is loose. I'm just assuming. And this smells like vanilla. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. So, got me a highlighting brush. I'm just going to lightly kind of tap in here because I just don't, maybe this is hard. Okay, I don't think this is as loose as I thought it was, but it's still loose. But this has a very nice, like, glow to that. That looks really nice. I'm going to kind of, like, put it up in this brow bone and work it across. Kind of like a natural but like wet looking highlighter. It's, wow, this thing lets you glow for sure. That is some wild highlighter. I'm just gonna put a little bit down the bridge of my nose and on the tip of it as well. I'm just gonna do a little bit on my cupid's bow, and I like to do underneath my bottom lip. That is just such a glow. I'm just gonna tap this over it just to see if it'll kind of like calm it down just a little bit, because I think this side got the bulk of it. Ooh. I feel like now I gotta add some more to this side. I'm just gonna have to leave it. I'm just gonna have to believe that that's what it is. I mean, then that's what it's gonna be. All right, so let's move on to the mascara. This is their Black Lights Camera Lashes. And again, I did get the Pride packaging because it was just so cute not to get. Just like, look at the cute little rainbow. It's just so perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and do these lashes. This is crazy what these two eyes look like just with one coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 coats on both eyes, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I am back with my mascara on, and one thing I kind of forgot to do was my inner corner. And I'm just gonna kind of take whatever's on this lid, and I'm just gonna take this little pencil brush and just inner corner, and then my inner corner. Last but not least, we are going to be going into this Remix lip gloss right here. This is the Tartiest lip gloss. And this is in the shade Remix, but look at how cool this is. Like, from some angles it's orange, from some angles it's like this pinky red. It's very, very interesting. So we're just gonna put it on as is and see what's up. And initially when I put it on, I see a lot of pink. I don't see as much orange as I see in the packaging. It would probably look better on top of an actual lipstick or something, but it's cute. Alrighty, so this is the completed look. I'll let you guys take a closer look. I'm not gonna judge fully completely on today because like I didn't really use primer on my eyes or my face, so I can't fully judge the product alone. But other than that, like, I love the Sea Glass eyeshadow. Absolutely love it. This color was so easy to blend out. It was honestly, it's like a duochrome, so you get like 2 colors going on. I kind of want to buy all of them. I'm not even gonna lie. This is how easy they work. So easy. The lip gloss is fun. It's cute. I like the texture it has. It's just kind of glitter. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more pigmented based on packaging, but as you can tell, quite translucent. This mascara really shook me. Fantastic. 10 out of 10. Love this. Just really made my lashes like black and long and honestly more full looking. So really love that. This highlighter is extreme. Like boom, look at this. Like the inner corner, like this is wild. It's so crazy, but I love it. I would like to, you know, try it with like not so like because the foundation was still kind of wet, and then putting the highlighter on, I think it obviously stuck to the foundation really well. Is why I gave it such a striking highlight, which I'm not mad at. This is like a really nice like glowy look, kind of just gonna go out in the sun, kind of hang. The foundation, I'm not mad at. It's settling a little bit into my lines, but again, I didn't use powder, not mad at it. It's not settling too much around my mouth though, which is kind of where it typically does settle, especially around this, like this smile line of mine. The forehead's kind of whatever, I can honestly like pounce it out and it's back to where it was. So, and like back to being good. Last thing is gonna be the Balm cream. It's a moisturizer. Not that crazy about it, but not, you know, dissatisfied. It worked pretty well as a primer for the foundation, the concealer, so not mad at it. I'm honestly really excited I did this 7 for $63 like build your own little kit thing, because this was worth it wholeheartedly. And I think they allowed you now to do 2 kits, so I think maybe next time I might do 2. That way I can try just a little bit more of their stuff, because I'm a little shook at how well the Tarte stuff works. And I mean, Tarte is expensive, I will say that, because like foundation is $39. The Balm cream, $39. The highlighter is $30. Mascara, I have everything like written down. The mascara is $23. The lip gloss was $20. The Sea Glass eyeshadow was $22. Oh, and then the little bag it came with was maybe about $10. I couldn't find the exact bag online, but I did see other bags that they were selling, but they were about $10. So I'm just assuming that was $10. Alrighty, so my entire kit came to a total of $63, and that was the 7 full-size products for $63. But at retail value, my box, like my kit, came to a total of $183. Full price. That's more than half off. So the next time you guys see these kits, I really highly recommend you try it out and get to try some products, and full-size products at that. So that's really awesome. So I'm really happy with everything I tried. Let me know if you guys have any of this stuff below, and if you like it, if you don't like it. I'm really curious as to see like what you guys think, and I'm looking forward to trying these products out some more and really using them. So I will see you guys in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. In today's video, I got the tits. Oh my god.